Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to set up Life360, the family safety and location sharing app. So let's get started. First of all, download the application. From the Play Store or App Store you can search here Life360 and search it, and this is the application you need to install. After you have installed, simply open it. After that, create an account. Enter your name, phone number and email, then create a password. Life360 will send you the code by the text. Enter the verification code from there. After that, create or join a circle. Now you can create a circle for your family or friends. Tap create a circle and name it. After you have created a account, it will show you to choose the circle. You can choose as friend, son and daughter, or father, grandmother. Or if someone already has a circle, just tap join a circle and enter their code. Enable location sharing. Life360 works best when location is turned on, or if some turn on background location, so family members can also see your updates in real time. And that's it, you have set up Life360. Now you can see your circle members, chat in that app, and use driving or safety features. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.